Dog hiccups at night and seeks owner's help, only to be mocked and posted on TikTok. A dog went to its owner's bedroom and sat by the bed to seek help because it kept hiccuping in the middle of the night. The owner thought the dog was being troublesome and even posted the video online to complain about it. The dog thought the owner was checking its health with a phone, so it stood obediently all the time. It never expected to be trained by the owner and become a joke on the internet. Netizens felt sorry for the poor dog after seeing this, and sighed that the sadness of humans and dogs is not the same. This funny and sad moment is really heartbreaking.